Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Quick Guide. Today I'm here with a new video to show you guys how you can log in into your Toast employee account. First of all, just go into any search browser that you use and go into its search bar and just type in Toast employee login and hit enter. After doing so, many results will pop up on your screen likewise. And then just click on the first link that shows up on your screen. After doing so, it will take you to the official website of Toast Payroll where you need to put your credentials correctly in order to sign into its account. Here, I'm going to choose English as it is most widely used worldwide and can easily be understood by everyone. Here, you need to put your email ID or username that you used while signing up to the Toast account. So guys, after putting your correct email or username, just hit on next. After doing so, you'll be presented to a new interface where you need to put your password correctly in order to sign into your Toast account. So guys, that's how you sign in into your Toast employee account. I hope you guys found our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.